high-profile vehicles should use caution until the winds subside.
3 a.m. Hopefully things will be a lot calmer after 2 and 3 a.m. But between now
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Shelby County, Northern Miami County, Northeastern Madison County, Logan County, Hardin County, Western Delaware County, Extreme Northwestern Clark County, Champaign County, Eastern Auglaize County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:15 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Buckland to Houston to Pleasant Hill, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Saint, Paris, Russell's Point, Ada, Bellefontaine, West Liberty, Urbana, Kenton, Mechanicsburg, Marysville, Richwood, Plain City. In addition, Annapolis, St. John's, Montreux, Castown, Port Jefferson, Fletcher, Plattsville, and Jackson Center are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 75 between mile marker 72 and 117. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.